Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yasha and today I'm at the Bayfront Park in Hamilton, Ontario. This is my first time here and I'm so happy to be in this beautiful place. Let's explore this beautiful place together. Before we start, just a quick hands up, English is my fourth language and I'm still learning. So if I make a few mistakes, thanks for understanding. There are geese walking around like they own the place. They look so relaxed and happy. The sun is shining, the sky is blue, and the grass is fresh and green. Bayfront Park is a big park next to the water. People are walking, biking, sitting by the lake, or just enjoy the view. Everything feels calm and quiet. I found these signs here. They tell the story of a Canadian Army group. They fought in World War I and II and helped in many missions around the world. The photos show life during the war, soldiers, battles, and also moments of hope and homecoming. It's nice to see this history here. It reminds us to be thankful for peace. I'd love to hear your ideas. Where should I go next? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read that this park used to be an old industrial area, but now it's full of nature and clean air. It's one of the most popular parks in Hamilton, and the weather is amazing today. I really just want to share this moment with you guys to walk and relax and enjoy nature together. If you enjoy peaceful walks and exploring new places, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any question about this place, feel free to ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching and spending this time with me.